Sanbonani, guys. Vuyokazi takes to Instagram. She puts a screen grab of a confirmation letter between her and a brand. You can see her name that the email is actually sent to her, and it's confirmation of a 6 month agreement between her and a brand. And we want to say to her, congratulations, girl, for being in your making money era. But guys, it seems like to just I guess allow a person to like play with you or whatever you wanna call it. Like it's not all the bad altogether. Because if you're smart about it, you can make money out of it. Because there Vuyokazi is. Might have started as she's just like being on a reality show because of the relationship she has with her baby daddy. But here she is like making money. If you go to Vuyokazi's Instagram page, you'd notice that she works with brands, especially now that she has kids. These baby brands. She's been working with them, and I know for sure. I mean, she's a reality star, if I can put it in that way. I know for sure that it's not just campaign work where they're just sending her gifts. They're sending her the gifts and they are paying her money because Izingane Zesthembu, it has a very large audience. So I'm glad she's taking the opportunity, grabbing the opportunity with both hands. And quite frankly, she must run with it. She must run with it because now she has two babies from Usnind. And we don't know which is their situation, what it's going to be like. But if they don't end up together, Usbindi will only be liable for the kids. So she still needs to make a way of making an income for herself. Because I really don't know if Vuyokazi afunda, you guys, or if she's working. I don't recall them mentioning anything like that. But she needs to make some coin for herself because I mean already there's a level that she needs to, that she needs to maintain because of the way she portrays herself on the show. There's another interview she did where she was like, she is Queen Elizabeth. So if she thinks of herself as Queen Elizabeth and she believes that we think of her as Queen Elizabeth, obviously there's a standard that she needs to maintain. But you know what, girl? Like milk this opportunity as much as you can. If it was up to me, I'd even say Utu Vuyokazi must make sure that even if she's not with Umpumelelo next season for Izingane Zesthembu, she must come back. She must come back and take the opportunity with both hands. Because guys, like in these streets, guys, there's so much money to be made. And just turn your pain into an opportunity of money. Yes, you are crying and your heart is painful, but cry while making money because Vele already you're gonna trend. Vele you're on TV already. So make money out of your tears. Anyway, congratulations to Vuyokazi. May she, continuously make money. May she attract the brand she wants to make. And yeah, guys, please do make sure that you like the video. Please also do subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.